There are only 3 ways to use hair sticks. All hair stick styles fall into one of these 3. First, foundational. You put the hair stick in and then you build the hairstyle around the stick. Second way is holding. You build the hairstyle, bun, updo, and then you use the stick to hold it all together. Finally, your hair stick can be purely decorative. You build a style and hold it up by a different method, and then you just put a beautiful hair stick into it to look nice. This lovely wooden hair stick actually did come from Lilla Rose. Then I have this one from Etsy that looks like a rose. You could also use a hair fork or a flexi for these hair stick styles.